How to fix Instagram reply option not showing. So let's now go to the Instagram application. Go to messages and you can see here that my reply option is already showing. But if yours is not showing, the first thing that you need to check is the version of your application. Exit the Instagram and proceed to the App Store. Search Instagram, update if it's not yet updated, and if yes, go back to Instagram. Go to messages, screenshot your options after holding the message. Go to profile page, select the three lines on top of the screen, go to settings, help, and report a problem. Attach your screenshot and write a short message. Just type in Instagram team. I have an issue with chatting. I have no reply option on my Instagram. Please check and resolve that issue. After sending this, wait for some days and your reply option should be available. And that is how you fix Instagram reply option not showing. Let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.